Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a amazingly stunning family home consisting of 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and sitting on over half an acre of land. It offers ample space for relaxation and entertainment. There is a double carport that welcomes you, leading to a kitchen with granite countertops, atop hardwood cabinetry. Vaulted tongue and groove ceilings enhance the open design. Enjoy a family room, dining area, garden styled atrium, covered outdoor bar, and a vast garden. It is ideally located just minutes from the Sangsters International Airport, shopping, entertainment, schools, beaches, and highways. This is your new home that blends comfort with convenience. Call to connect with a local agent. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 685,000 or Jamaican $108 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.